So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Sinful Dolls, and today I'm doing a different kind of video than I usually do on the channel, and we're going to be unboxing some mini brands. So if you don't know about Zuru, I love Zuru and mini brands. I have so many of their mini brands items, and I was so happy to see that they were coming out with the Fill the Fridge line. And if you don't know, the Fill the Fridge line is basically kind of self-explanatory. There are these mini capsule balls that have items to fill this fridge. So before we get into that, make sure you guys are subscribed and turn on notifications so that you know every time I post. So let's get into it. So first of all, mini brands, the Fill the Fridge line comes with this mini fridge. This is also a UV light. If you can see that, sorry, my camera is not in focus. And it opens. This is what the packaging looks like. This is about Barbie size, but I have seen people say that it is a little bit smaller. Now, I really wanted this because I do want to start building doll dioramas and stuff again, so I really wanted to have this, and it's so cute. I love these kind of retro smeg type refrigerators and appliances in general, so I thought it would be great to have this. And I love anything miniature or mini, especially things like little groceries and stuff like that, so I was super excited about that. And this fridge comes with minis, so they're like exclusive minis. I will put a link in my description so you can go buy this. You can find this in your Target, your Walmart. It's also available on Amazon. I ordered mine from Walmart, but it is available on Amazon because it was out when I wanted to get it. But it comes with 2 exclusive minis, I think. And yeah, so it lights up. It comes with fridge magnets, not the fridge. I think the fridge comes with 1, but the boxes, the little blind bags have them too. Now, I did already open one because I could not wait. I went to Target and I bought 2. And I wanted the fridge from Target, but it was sold out at my particular Target, so I ordered this later on Walmart.com. But yeah, like, oh my goodness, I'm so super duper excited. The drawers open and all that good stuff. And from what I understand, from what I've seen some other people say, sorry, my camera's not in focus. I've seen other people say that there are gonna be other parts in the line, which I can tell you right now, I want that. I want that oven. They have a dishwasher, this little cabinet, and a sink. I think that sink looks very weird, but I want this. So yeah, so let's get into the actual unpackaging of the fridge. Okay, so now that we have that all unpacked, I did want to come back with, and my camera is going crazy with the focus right now, but I did want to come back and kind of show you guys what the scale looks like proportionate to a Barbie doll. She is a bit taller than this, than the fridge. As you can see, it hits her about at her cheeks, so it is a bit smaller. My plan was I was going to put like a tiny little base at the bottom to kind of give it a little bit more height, but I feel like if you don't really care, then it doesn't really matter, but to me it does. So we're just going to put our girly off to the side. So here is what the fridge looks like. Now, I don't know if my camera will do it justice, but it does have the slightest little pearlescent shimmer, and on camera it shows up very blue, but in person it's definitely more mint. Okay, so yeah, it is more of like a mint, and the light turns on automatically, so it's very realistic. So on the back there's this tab right here, and I'll try to zoom in so y'all can see. But one setting is LED, it says on there, and then the bottom one is for UV. So you would flip this switch when you use it to cure the resin. And I love that they put the detail of like the fridge coils on the back. That is so cute. But it does run by batteries. So here is the drawers, the doors. The bottom has the drawers at the bottom. And if you hear my cat, hopefully she doesn't come to bother me, but if you hear my cat, you hear my cat, because cats love attention. But it has, I'm trying to get a good view because it is kind of dark, but it does have like the little dials in the drawers. Very cute. They obviously come out. Very nice. And up top, if you hear my cat, she is talking to me right now. Please don't try to jump up here because Mama's recording a video. I'm sorry. Sorry, Kiki. Mama is recording right now. Anyway, like I said, the light comes on, and these are the goodies that come with the fridge. These are the instructions and the drawers and all that good stuff. So I'm going to start assembling and I will be back. Okay, so now that we've gotten the fridge assembled, we can get into opening our little baggies. Also, I left out the drawer. So let's put this in here. I think that goes here, I'm gonna assume. All right, so let's get into the baggies. So we do have the exclusive mini and the resin mini. So this is our little ice scoop. I really hope I get the ice bag. I love. And we have our little Olipop strawberry vanilla. And I don't, oh, our magnet. So let's see what our magnet is. And we got a watermelon. And if you don't know, this is magnetic, so they stick on the fridge. That's so cute. So let's open up our fun one. This is our little resin one that is on the package. This is like the little cloche thingy to cover it. The resin. And this is our little mold. And it's like a little jello mold and it's silicone. Or silicone, I don't know which one is the correct word. And I think this is our little fruit. I think. Yeah, so we have our little plate, our little fruit, and our tongs. Okay, if I can get them out. All right, I think I dropped it. It's only like, okay, I didn't drop it. Sorry, they're so tiny, our little fruits. So let's assemble. Sorry, I play too much Marble Rivals, but I'm going to assemble the little fruities and then we're gonna get to it. Okay, so our mold is filled and now it is time to put it in the fridge to cure. Now, according to the instructions, it takes about 25 to 30 minutes to cure. So while this cures, I will be showing the rest of the items. So first, we're going to flip our dial to UV and then we're gonna pop this baby open. And you specifically put the items on this top tray because it's UV safe, so we're gonna leave that. for 30 minutes. And while that cures, I'm going to go through the rest of the items. So to start, I cheated a little. I initially went to Target the other day because I saw that they had the balls in stock, and Target online locally also said they had the fridge. But when I went into store, they did not have the fridge. So I got 2 balls. And I couldn't handle myself. I couldn't help it. And I opened this one already. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got in the first one while the other stuff cures before we go into the other ones. So first, I got the IHOP burger and fries, and it's in this little packaging, and like, is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? So cute. I love the little packaging, and I will go over the list and show you like what each thing is in a moment. The next thing I got was this little strawberry jello, and it has 4 little jellos in there, and it's so cute. Like, I love the attention to detail and stuff like this, especially like I love doll stuff. I don't know if you guys remember like the Kitchen Littles back in like the 90s, but yeah, like the Kitchen Littles or Real Littles, I don't know, it's from like the 90s, and I had a lot of the stuff. I still have some of it, but it's just very detailed, and I think this is an okay scale for dolls, if you ask me. I just think it's cute, and I do plan to use this stuff in like dioramas and dollhouse stuff like that. So yeah, the next thing I got in that one is this little kombucha. Very cute. It's a little big, but yeah, kombucha. Ooh, I don't like kombucha in real life. Next, I got the little fish, and I really wanted like the little meat and stuff like that. And as you can see, it's actually in little plastic wrap, and it just looks so realistic, so cute. Next, I got an egg magnet for our fridge. And I got this little soda, I think, or juice. Not really sure. It's not a name brand, but I just noticed it has the little orange pieces in there, which is so cute. I did not notice that when I first opened this, but that is adorable. And then lastly, for this ball, I got Hershey's, and I don't know if this is like the mini, because apparently on the list there's like the ultra minis and like, or mini or something like that, and the regular. So I don't know if this is the regular or the mini, but we'll have to see if we get the other one. So let's just go over our list of what I have so far. I got that IHOP, which is a luxury. I got none of these so far. I got the Jello, and the Jello is considered rare. And I'm not too sure about that Hershey's just yet. And so I think it's just the common one, I think. I got the kombucha, which is common, and the juice, which is common, and the fish, which is common. And then those are the magnets that I got. I'm really hoping for like the broccoli or the other meat, like these little lamb chops, stuff like that. The Pizza Huts would be cool, but I mostly want the more like fresh type food stuff. So let's open our other balls. All right, let's see what ball we're going to do. This is the one that I got yesterday that came with the fridge from Walmart. And this is my other Target one. So let's open our other Target one. And you know, these balls, like mini brands, really make these balls easier to open. Let's see. It is a satisfying rip though, all the time. All right, let's see. Dun, da, da, da. All right, let's see how many little packages we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I think a magnet just fell out. So we got another magnet. We got a camera. Cute, cute. Okay, so let's see what this is. All right, we got something new. We got a agua bottle, nice little water bottle, cute, cute. I like the feel. It kind of looks a little frosted. It's not like regular plastic. Let me zoom in a little bit. It's not like actual plastic, but it's like a rubbery feel. Cute. All right, let's see. That feels like a bowl or something. Let's see what that is. Okay. Oh, cute. This is an oat jar, so I guess it's like overnight oats. That is cute. That is so cute. Very cute. All right. 2 things to knock off the list. Okay, so let's open the other one, because from what I've seen, other people say the yellows are name brand and these are like not, I think, usually. Okay. All right, I think this is another fish. All right, so we got our first dupe, which is the fresh fish. All right, let's do this one first. This is a bottle of some sort. And this is the Ramoon drink. And I think, I can't see, this is orange. This is an orange flavor Ramoon. Let's do, ooh, this is something name brand. I can see it through the packaging. And this is Home Style Mashed Potatoes by Hormel. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. If I can like pop it out, but you can see the plastic. It has like the little plastic wrapper. You can see the potatoes and little chives or parsley. That is so stinking cute. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. Love it. All right, it's our last one for this one. Oh, it's another Hormel, I think. This is the Hormel macaroni and cheese. Cute, 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 cute. So we got mac and cheese and we got potatoes. So let's cross these off of our list. Okay, so we got the orange Ramon drink and we have the Hormel mashed potatoes and the macaroni. Oh, I want those waffles. And then let's see our other side. Oh goodness. Oh, if I could turn it around. Okay, so we have on this side, we have the water bottle. We have this yogurt. And we got another fish, unfortunately. All right, and we got the camera. Yeah, we got the camera. Okay, so on to our last ball for now. So sad, our last ball. I'm looking for those eggs or ice or something. Only more dupes. Hopefully it's all new. All right, so let's see what's in our ball. So we had 6 packages in the first one. So let's see how many we have. Oh, we got another magnet. I like how the magnets just fall out. We have a hot dog. Hot dog. Please don't sue me, Mickey Mouse. Let me not sing that song. All right, so let's see how many packages we have this time. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 again. So we're gonna do our blue ones first. So blah, 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 blah. Let's see what this is. Oh, we have the fruit tray. So cute. And the fruit tray actually opens. And I think you can remove these little pieces out of the fruit tray, but it looks like watermelon, pineapple, honeydew, and maybe cantaloupe. Or yeah, cantaloupe. So cute, and I like that it closes. It's like a hard plastic. That is so cute. Cute, cute, cute. Let's see what's in our next blue one. This feels interesting. It looks green. Let's see what that is. Is it the broccoli? Okay, so we got the broccoli florets. That is so cute. That is in the little packaging like that. I love stuff like this. It's so realistic. It's so cute. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, our last green packet. And this is milk. We have fresh milk. Okay, it's kind of boring, but you know, it's looking really healthy. We got milk, we got broccoli, and we got fruit. So let's see. That's squishy. That's squishy. What is this? It's squishy. Cheese. We got cheese. We got Kraft singles. Oh goodness, that's cute. Like, it's super squishy, but I think it's just printed on here. It's not like actual cheese. I think it's just a cushion or something. Sorry for my cat. She's being very needy right now. Hi, ma'am. I'm sorry. I'm recording right now. Do you mind? But yeah. Kraft singles, that's cute. That's cute. So we messed up our healthy. It's not healthy with that Kraft singles. Wait, is this a dupe? I think we got, no, it's French fries. Oh goodness, we got crispy tater tots. They're also squishy like the cheese. That is so cute. Hi, ma'am. Sorry, my cat is so annoying. We got crispy tater tots. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, last one, y'all. This is our final baggie. Let's see what we got. And I broke a nail. I love that for me. Let's see. Another Hershey's. So we got 2 Hershey's. Let's see if these are the same size. Okay, so that was crazy. That noise. Sorry if you guys hear that. They're currently doing work in my building. I thought my cat farted or something, but they're doing work right now. But these are the same. So so now we're gonna start filling our fridge, but first I'm just gonna dump out our little jelly mold. And that's what it looks like. You can barely see the little fruit in there, but they are indeed in there. It's a little lopsided. Put our little lid on it, and let's put that in the fridge. That's crooked. Our little fruit tray. I'll put this on the bottom. Our fresh broccoli, we'll put that in our fresh drawer. Our French fries, I keep saying French fries, but these are tater tots. We're gonna put those in the freezer. In the drawer of the freezer. Ah, the fridge is gonna topple over on me. Let's close the top. My goodness. Our Kraft singles. Can we put these on the door? I don't know. It would be nice if we had like a little butter section. That would be cool. Water bottle. Let's put a water. No, that's not gonna fit. Poops. Let's put the water bottle on the bottom. Dang, they're hard to get in there. Our milk. Let's put the milk. I don't put milk on my bottom shelves. Like, oh goodness, this is so hard to get these in here. Let's put the milk here. That's what I would do in real life. My milk would go there. Okay. Kombucha. We'll put that there. And our little drinks, we'll put these on the bottom with the water. They're not falling over. Oh my goodness, they're falling over. Our Olipop, we'll put that up here. Our little burger, we'll put that here. And then we have our these little whatever these are, I forget what they're called, our little mac and cheese and our potatoes. We'll put that there. And we have our little yogurt, well, not yogurt, it's overnight oats. And we'll put that there. Then we have our chocolate sauces. So we'll just put these up here with the Olipop. This is so difficult to place everything in here without it falling over, especially because I'm trying to not get in the way of the camera at the same time. Oh my goodness. It's so hard. It's so hard. Okay, we're gonna put the Hershey down there. And then put our other Hershey beside that Hershey. And let's fix our waters, our juices, our beverages. Oh goodness, that one's stuck. Ah! Okay, forget it. Forget it, it's not important. And then we have our jellos. Let's put our jellos up here with our Olipop. And then lastly, oh goodness, we have our 2 little fishies, and we're gonna put our fish in the freezer. Let's put our fish in the freezer down here. This will be our meat drawer. All right. So this is what our fridge deal looks like. It's a little messy. Oh, I forgot. Our little ice scoop. We don't have any ice yet, but hopefully we get it. So I'm just gonna put that in the drawer. But this is what our little fridge is looking like so far. It's super cute. It's so funny because it's so cold down here. I don't think that's intentional, but it's cold in my living room. But overall, I'm super happy with this set. Like, it was super affordable in my opinion compared to the other mini brand stuff that I bought, and I really like it. If you like miniatures and you like stuff for your dolls, I think this would be great. I can't wait until the other parts of the set come out. I will probably be getting those, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this content and you would like to see more, definitely leave me a comment down below and subscribe and turn on notifications so that you know, excuse me, every time I post. Bye.